Stride into the world of fitness with the Elliptical Machine, your versatile companion for walking, step climbing, and running without the harsh impact on your joints. It's time to embrace a full-body workout that not only targets nearly every muscle but also boosts your cardiovascular health. Step onto the elliptical with caution, gripping the handlebars before placing your feet on the oversized pedals. Align your feet with the edges to avoid straining your hips and begin pedaling with even strides, coordinating arm and leg movements for a harmonious exercise rhythm. Your posture is paramount. Keep your back straight, engage your core, and slightly tilt your pelvis forward. Remember, knees should remain bent, mimicking the sensation of cycling but with a broader range of motion. Choose between the moving swing arms for an upper body challenge or the fixed bars for stability, but always with a light grip. Avoid the monotony of daily repetition by mixing up your routine, keeping your workouts engaging and effective. Stay mindful of your body, shunning distractions to maintain a challenging and safe exercise session. Keep your weight centered over the foot pads and resist the urge to lean on the handrails. Regularly glance at the elliptical screen to stay informed about your heart rate, calories burned, and steps taken. This feedback is crucial for tracking your fitness journey. Before diving in, familiarize yourself with the elliptical's features. Set your weight and age for a personalized calorie count and consider using the heart rate sensors for tailored intensity. Aim for 50 to 70% of your maximum heart rate for a moderate workout, or push to 70 to 85% for something more vigorous. Adjust the incline to target different muscle groups and keep your routine fresh and challenging. The Elliptical Machine stands as a beacon for beginners and fitness enthusiasts alike. Now that you're equipped with the knowledge to use it effectively, step forward confidently towards your fitness goals.